Good morning, guys. Today it might be a little bit iffy. My internet has been really bogging down, so we're gonna try to give it a go, but if it starts getting crazy, I'll probably end the stream early. But good morning, how we doing? Mason, Kevin, Albu, Nima? Nima, I had a job interview last night, found out I have a face for radio. Yeah, I'm sorry. We will work out the back end stuff to have the live or trading with the boys segment. I promise. We're trying to figure it out, but we need to find something that's not too complicated for those that are coming on as well, and that doesn't require like downloading extra software, bogging down your PCs. So yeah, we were unprepared last night, Nima. That's on me. Thanks, Khaled. Love you too, brother. Good morning, Martin. Yeah, I'm just crossing my fingers that my internet cooperates for the stream today. So, guys, it looks like we might be heading down today. You can just play at Mac. Morning, Ethan. Welcome. My reads will be, if we take out these lows down here at, I moved this to 810 to 830 to account for all this bottoming action here at this level. My feeling is if we lose this 810, we're probably going to see fairly quick downside. Probably down into the 500s is what I'm thinking. I really don't have a level below here until 660, but the moves through the 800 were fairly quick, and there's not a whole lot of support here, as you can see. There's really just nothing until really here. This is the last support that I see in between where we are and 500. So that's what I'm thinking the move might be today. Morning, Dave. Morning, Mr. Fox. Yeah, Dave, I apologize to you as well. Both you and Nimkins. I feel terrible about it. Felt like I wasted an hour of your guys' time. But we will get it all figured out, because I think that is a good idea. Trading with the boys segment would be fun. Looks like we still got people filing in right now. Guys, we eclipsed 150 subscribers on the YouTube channel yesterday, so thank you to you all for your continued support. We're getting there. I mean, hashtag let's get Mason paid is, we're getting closer. A younger employee was chosen to. Oh, jeez. No, the only reason I chose Palmetto is because he does work a day job. Nimkins. His time is limited. That's the reason, and he has the availability on Friday. You, Dave, and myself, we seem to trade during the day. Typical employer response. No, I felt terrible about it. I think it would have been great. The dynamic would have been great. Oh, geez, see? Dom's already going out. I'm almost wondering if it's a rhythmic issue as well. Let me try resetting this here. Logging out and logging back in before the open. Good morning, Michael. You guys are ridiculous. A face for radio. I have a face for radio. Yeah, guys, my internet is just not doing well. I don't know what's going on. I normally get close to 200 megabits per second upload download speeds. I'm currently operating at, I don't know, 20 to 30, which should be enough for streaming, you would think. Markets are open. However, it is not cooperating right now. So if I get a little sidetracked today, now you know why. I'll be checking OBS frequently. So what are we thinking today, chat? Are we thinking downside? Are we thinking upside? I'm thinking down currently, but I'm going to be patient here. I do know we have news. We did have unemployment or jobless claims this morning, I believe. My plan was to have Albu on today as well, and that didn't pan out. We tried to get it all set up, so sorry, Albu, as well. Yep, we got services PMI at 9:45 Eastern and ISM services PMI at 10 o'clock, it looks like. Yeah, guys, I think Albu is going to stream as well to walk you guys through the Level Up Discord and all the changes that have been made later this afternoon. Probably after my stream ends. So stay tuned. And if you haven't yet and you're viewing, I'm pretty sure everybody has, but go ahead and there's a link to the Discord Level Up down in the description below the video if you'd like to join our community. It is free. We got a good little community going on right now. Yeah. I guess I am being ruthless with my employment policy. Oh, man. Yeah, it stinks. I want to bring everybody on. My internet is not cooperating currently. Morning, Thomas. Yeah, we had to set up a verification process. We were starting to get infiltrated by the bots. Nimkins. No, there will be no speech. Yeah, so if you guys do get any friend requests from, I think only Albu has been had his identity stolen. So yeah, just be careful. If you're getting friend requests or messages from a fake Albu Trades, make sure that the username matches up. Usually it's only, like I said, a single punctuation mark or a capitalized letter that's not an added letter. But yeah, just delete the message, don't accept the friend request, and report it if you do get it. Hopefully this verification will at least eliminate a lot of that. Donna, you got 2 different fake albus? Yeah. Yeah, the bots have infiltrated. We will never sell you a service. We will never try to get you to buy anything. Sorry, Phoenix. Good morning, Phoenix. I've got technical issues going on my end, so my concentration is kind of on that right now. It might be a very short stream. Well, it looks like we're seeing, in the words of DJP, manipulation up. Looks like these lows held. Albie didn't need $500 to pay the rent. I don't think so. He might. I'm sure he would accept donations. Mason, yeah, I think that's overnight high. Well, roughly 19K. Oh, here goes the latency. I mean, look at this, guys. 5,000. Wow. This is an issue. Mark it in and see how much slippage I get. I mean, I'm almost scared to get into a position. Nice, Kev. Kev, you've been aggressive on the opens recently. Seems like you've gotten into a position at the opening bell. Okay, I'm about done with this freezing. I mean, come on. How am I supposed to trade this? Yeah, Mason, I don't know what to do. I mean, what happens if I get into a position? I mean, I can get on Rhythmic on my phone. But that's scary to get into any position right now. I mean, is the stream okay on your guys' end? Is it just my quant tower that's bogging down? Or is the stream glitching? Stream is okay. It's just Quant Tower. Anybody else who uses Quant Tower having any issues right now? Sierra works fine, he says. We did figure out last night that Albu, speaking of which, and Kevin, this goes for you as well, that using that Ninja web-based client for sharing your charts on the stream was actually what the problem is. So with Sierra and Motive Wave, like I know Palmetto tried using that for Motive Wave as well, but Sierra, both Nimkin's and Palmetto's charts were freezing while Dave's were fine, and I think Dave was using Top Step X to share his, while Palmetto was using Motive Wave and Nimkin's was using Sierra charts. And both Sierra charts and Motive Wave were frozen, the charts were freezing. Yeah, thanks, Martin. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Definitely, the last couple streams, the last 2 days really, is where I've been having a little bit of issues. So yeah, I'm not sure. For those of you that trade ES and want to see my levels, they have not changed. They are the same as yesterday. Sierra might not like their charts shared for free. No, I'm not connected to R-Trader, Martin. Not at the same time. I mean, we're freezing up again, all sorts of latency. I think it's just my internet. I don't think it... I'm fairly certain it's my internet. Like, it's lagging. Like I said, I normally get close to 200 megabits per second upload and download. I'm rolling with sometimes less than 10 at times. So... there's something going on with my internet over the last few days. AT&T is doing me dirty. They took away ESPN. The internet's not working. I need to call my sister. She works for AT&T at headquarters in Dallas or Arlington or wherever their headquarters are. It's Wi-Fi, Ethan. The room that I'm in is Wi-Fi. But I've never had these kind of issues that I've had over the last few days. Yeah, the only problem is my modem is downstairs, so I'd have to run. Well, pretty soon I won't be able to anyway because I'm having the floors redone in my house. Which, speaking of which, guys, the week of September 16th, I probably won't be streaming it all that week because I actually have to go stay at a hotel for the week and not be in my house. But yeah, DJ, if I'm connecting through an Ethernet cable, I would have to run it through the wall, and it would take an extremely long Ethernet cable in order for it to reach up here. Unless I want to move my modem up here. My modem and router. I don't know if I'm going to be able to trade today, guys, with this latency. Yeah, I'll try and figure it out after I get off the stream. I mean, I'm not going to go through a whole reconnection process on stream. That would be fairly annoying for everybody. Or Martin, are you talking about trying a different server connection via Quant Tower? Or Rhythmic? I mean, either way, this shouldn't be happening. Let's face it. We've been streaming for what, a month now, and had relatively no issues. And all of a sudden, the last 3 days, there's issues. Yeah, I don't know what to do here. I'm thinking about trying a long. Maybe we're heading back up into this 19.2 area. 19.180 like we were talking about yesterday. It never quite got there. I do think this is a good short opportunity up here. We never did get there yesterday. The market held its lows. It didn't give up the lows down here. So maybe that's where it wants to go. I mean, we're holding up okay. It's feeling like we want to break these tops. I just don't. I like the longs, but we got news in a few minutes. So I don't know that I'm going to take it right now. Yeah, I mean, probably going to come up here and test yesterday's highs. That's gone. Oh, I missed it. I don't know how active I should be. News in 5 minutes and this thing's just running away prior to the news release. I know, Dave, it's hard. Like, this 20 bounce was what I was going to play. But this also makes it hard as well. I'm battling other elements. What's up, Ollie? Welcome. Oh, you're good, Martin. Yeah, don't worry about it. You were in a trade? Yeah, concentrate on your trades. I have this feeling, Michael, that we're just going to pump. I mean, we held the lows down here. Like I said yesterday, the most logical move seems to be back up into somewhere in here. 180 to 200 for the move back down. You know, somewhere in there. Test these tops. Looks like we got a big block at 100. Got some other size up here at around just above 180. Oh, we freeze again. Should have taken that 20 long. I was thinking about it. No, Ollie, I haven't. I'm having internet issues today. So I'm kind of scared to get into a position. We got news in 1 minute. All sorts of technical difficulties this morning, so I'm a little hesitant to get into a position. All right, guys, I'm long from 80. Like to see this push through 100 with some strength. Oh, of course it freezes when I'm in a trade. Did it get me out? Yep, it got me out. Yeah, Dave, it was a little aggressive, but I can't. I had to put a stop in. I normally wouldn't put a stop in yet, but with the internet going in and out, I have to. I have to get it in there. But I do think this is where we're heading. This is the move that makes the most sense. We might have a little chop here. I would probably even try a retest of 80 hold for the long. Oh, the charts glitching like this are frustrating. I would still be in that trade. I wouldn't have moved my stop or put it in there. Let me see where the ES is right now. Yeah, you still got room. So the ES is probably heading back to yesterday's highs. Oh my goodness, guys. I might have to kill the stream, unfortunately. All the latency issues and everything has me thinking I probably shouldn't be in a trade right now. Even though I do think this is where we're heading inevitably, up here to 180. At least. Yeah, guys, I'm going to kill it there. So my read is going to be to watch this 180 to 200 level to see what sets up here. That it does seem to be the draw right now. But I'm getting frustrated with the delays and the latency. So I'm going to kill the stream there. Good luck the rest of the way. I'll be hanging out in Discord for a little while. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. I will be streaming live tomorrow at 9:20 a.m. Eastern. Hopefully with a special guest. Or a few special guests, actually. So yeah, I will see you all tomorrow. Peace.